End caps. Oh, we have to apply sealant to the end bearing end caps. Prepare shaded areas on double bearing and bearing cap 1 and 7. So hang on.
What?
So 1 and 7.
There's no way that they put sealant on these. Not on these.
Actually, not on those, but 1 and 7 here. So there are parts on both the sides.
That's that thing that we couldn't find a place for. This?
No.
Yes. This one.
Okay, this is 1. And 7 is, yes, you're right, that one. That's that side.
Goes on
So
this
this
side.
goes on this side, and both of those have to have a. So this guy has to.
It doesn't go like this, does it? That'd be weird. Oh, it does. Okay.
So shaded areas ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ ಇದೆ.
Right there.
This area. This is.
This area on this side of the groove.
Wait, I'm not looking
Yeah,
at this.
this side of the groove.
It looks different though.
No, it doesn't.
Oh yeah, there.
So
Okay.
that. So actually, all that yellowness should not be touched.
Yes. So odd.
And then on this one,
It is differently shaped, but
it's
it's
not,
all the way down here to here.
it's not differently shaped. It's identical.
Slightly differently shaped. This is longer. So if you look at that.
Okay. The general idea is the same though. And then this is just all the flat part lateral to the groove thing. Hold on. Don't you want to clean it first?
Did. Clean enough.
Dude, come on.
Okay. It's good.
Easy.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು the spatula, the spreader thing.
There. Yeah, we only had to rotate it just a tiny bit.
Yep.
Tiny bit. Like I almost feel like I could, you know? But I definitely can't. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Do we need some sort of ring thing that goes here? Cause see, like this, there's must have been something that sat there.
Yes, that's that black thing. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ
I should have I did wire brush all
You
this
did.
stuff.
You did.
I remember thinking I probably shouldn't destroy that.
APB. It's like stolen engine. It is this way, right?
Yeah. There wasn't anything that we needed to do before this?
I don't think so. Well, let's.
Read that real quick.
We can look at the exploded view
The
here.
markings.
Prepare shaded area. Install bearing caps. Watch position of dowel sleeves.
Dowel sleeves?
These things here. Yep.
Are there screws that need to go in?
Yes.
From where?
Yeah. Four.
Yeah, where?
From the baggie.
What?
Oh,
These? The same one?
These are the same one.
You're sure?
Yeah.
They look much taller.
No, they are the same.
Yeah, I think so.
ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು this is stupid. The whole idea of making a video is to make sure that we do it right when we...
Well, we're using the manual, right?
No, but the manual is incomplete. ಅದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ ಲೂಯಿಸ್ನ ಐ ಮೀನ್
Probably
ಸೀಲೆಂಟ್
shouldn't be using the 27 here, but...
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೀಲೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ
Yeah, on this side?
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
No,
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
I'm not. I was just doing this. Aren't you watching?
ದಿಸ್ ಗೈ ರೈಟ್
Yeah. I already wiped this stuff down, though.
Okay. And what's the shaded area here?
Lateral to the grooves. All over this. Yes, that's correct.
Here.
Not that side of this groove, though.
Right. Here. Through around the bolt holes?
Correct.
Around the bolt holes?
Yes, around the bolt holes. Come on, what about the inside there? Inside?
Okay.
Flat side, outside.
Yes.
Are you sure this thing's a T30?
It is. You should use the biggest one that fits.
I guess. Where's the T30 for this? Or is that the one that I broke? That is the one that I broke because I broke it on doing these.
Yeah, so we need it. No, you use T30. The T30. Anyway, you'll need that to torque it. So here we go. Component bolts. All the M6s are 10 and all the M8s are 20, except for the following: bearing caps to cylinder head 10, camshaft adjuster to cylinder head 10, hall sensor camshaft sprocket to camshaft 55.
Where's your...
Camshaft sprocket to, what is that?
What?
Which is the camshaft sprocket to camshaft?
That's probably either this
No,
or
outside.
this. Anyway, where's your torque? Where's your thing?
Torque wrench adilide illa.
What?
Camshaft bearing cap and camshaft adjuster 10. Camshaft bearing cap. Which is that?
What? Camshaft bearing cap, that's all these things. Those, yeah.
Those are 10s, okay. Basically 10. Hall sensor rotor to camshaft.
We haven't put that on yet.
Yeah, we have not put that.
Actually, that thing might be it, the black thing. One of them is a cam position sensor, and then there's another one which is slightly different.
25, that's a lot of torque.
Where is that impact one that we used?
Ille ide pa ado, illide. It was lying on the floor here because we pulled it away. Impact torques is right here. Okay, need to clear this here. We'll find it.
Is it not here?
We saw it. We saw it. It's sitting on a bit somewhere. Illide taba.
Can you hold that? 10, right?
10 Newton meters, I believe it says.
Oh, is it 10 Newton meters or 10 foot pounds?
10 Newton meters.
Well, this
Yeah.
only has foot pounds.
No, we can convert it. No, it has an M on the other side.
Yeah. How do you undo this? It says DANM, and one says N, and then the other one says kilograms.
Correct.
Okay, so there's... How is this even done?
Correct. You just more line it up with the 10 faster.
There is no 10, it's a 9.7.
That's fine.
It's weird. Huh? What? Just tell me what to align it to, and I'll do it.
1 second. Yeah, it's pretty inaccurate, right? That's 9.7 is over
These
there.
markings are supposed to do something.
Yeah, yeah, the 0 is on. So 0 and 9.7, this is on. So it's obviously somewhere. It was very close to what you had it right now. We'll eyeball it and call that good.
What did you do? Wait, this is less than. This is less.